Welcome back to the Global Local, and thank you for taking the time out of your day to come hang out with me. For the guys that's been with me for a while, what's going on, man? I really hope you guys are doing well and your families are well. And to the guys that are new to my channel, welcome aboard. I really hope you get something out of today's video. Now, I'm on the road again, like always, and I'm going to talk to you guys about today's topic, which is it really worth it? You know, every year, thousands of men pack up their lives, broken hearts, drained bank accounts, a suitcase full of regrets, and they head to the Philippines hoping to find peace, love, and maybe someone who will actually appreciate them for once. But let's ask a real question, man. Is it actually worth it? What are you running from, bro? I get it. Life kicks you in the ass. It kicks all of us in the ass. Maybe it was a brutal divorce or a cheating girlfriend or, a cold realization that your forever love just saw you at the ATM with feelings. So you decided to bounce and just get up out of there, man, get you a fresh start. And ain't nothing wrong with that, you know what I mean? But at the same time, there's a lot of things that you need to think about before you do that. A few years ago, we had this big passport bro movement. And, the Philippines, it kind of seemed like the promised land. You got a whole bunch of beautiful beaches, sweet women, cheap beer, rent you can pay out of, with pocket change. What's not to like about that? Anybody will fall for that. Anybody. But you got to sit back and think about it for a little bit. Is it too good to be true? Because if it sounds too good to be true, you might want to think about a few things and probe a little bit before you start jumping into things. All right? Are you actually chasing peace? Got to ask yourself that question. Or are you just running from problems and flip-flops? All right? Because honestly, here's the truth. If you're running from your problems are going to run right behind you. And guess what? They don't even need a visa. Your problems don't need a visa to find you because they're going to be right there with you. You brought them with you. The Philippines is just like any other country. The women are just like women in the States or in Europe or anywhere else. And the reason why I say that is because women have emotions. They have similar emotions. They just got different brands of makeup. Some of them are packaged a little bit differently. But when emotions strike, 9 times out of 10, they act the same in a lot of ways. So you got to understand that. A lot of guys have heard so much about the Philippines and all of its glory. And to be honest with you, man, the Philippines is a great place. I love it out here. I enjoy it. It's really peaceful for me. But I didn't come out here for women. I came out here for me. And so that kind of put me in a position of learning the Philippines based on my own interpretation of what I want my life to be. A lot of guys come to the Philippines thinking it's some kind of magical emotional rehab center where women are just born with, they don't have any red flags, and life suddenly just makes sense out here. And quite honestly, that's the biggest red flag right there. Being naive, not understanding that life is real out here. The Philippines culture is different. It's something unique about it. And, anybody will gravitate toward it. It's really nice. I love the culture out here, but not understanding the culture will cause problems for you. Some people love the fact that the Philippine people are laid back. Some people don't even like that at all. They're really good women out here, but guess what? They also have bad women out here, just like anywhere else in the world. It's almost like everybody puts the women or things that are here above everything else as if there's no flaws. And I'm gonna be honest with you, 90% of the flaws that you see are based on your own interpretation of what it is. The Philippines is the Philippines, and it's gonna be the Philippines. It doesn't matter who likes it and who doesn't. You have to come out here understanding why you're out here and not based on what somebody else told you. Because what's good for somebody else isn't good for you. And what's good for you may not be good for the next person. To each its own. There are no unicorns out here with big magical rainbows with a leprechaun at the end with a pot full of gold for you. These people are human. And just like women everywhere else, they smile differently. Yeah, they may wear less makeup. They wear more makeup. I don't know. Maybe they cook better. Maybe they call you kuya, which hits weird at first, but it sounds good at the end, But guess what? They have emotions. They have the same instincts. They have the capability to love you and elevate your life just like any other woman across the world. But they also have the ability to ruin your life if you ignore the warning signs. You can't give people a pass based on how pretty they are. Some will love you, some will use you, some will make you believe in love again, while others will teach you to sleep with one eye open. Can't trust nothing. If I can't trust you as far as I throw this rock. I grab a rock and I throw it across the street, and wherever it lands, that's exactly how far I trust you. Because some guys end up like that. Trust me, I've been in those shoes. I've been in those shoes big time. The bottom line is, it's not about your location. It's about choices. Is uprooting your life really worth it if you're chasing something that's finite? Are you chasing something that's more in depth about yourself? If that's the case, then yeah, move to the Philippines. Find you. Find purpose within yourself. And speaking of purpose, a lot of guys come out here with nothing already, and they lose the last thing that they have is their purpose. So they really have nothing. You got to have purpose when you come out here, because trust me, it gets lonely. What happens if you're in a community where there are no expats? Nobody really speaks English to you the way that you're used to people speaking English to you. You're not able to laugh like you used to laugh. That belly hurt, that laugh that makes your stomach hurt, and you're rolling under the table. Your feet kicking and screaming, mouth wide open, no air coming out. You seem like you choking, and you just let it out after 45 seconds. Them kind of laughs. Are you gonna be missing those things? Do you have connections back at home? You got to ask yourself a lot of questions before you just start deciding to get up out of where you're coming from and coming out here on a pipe dream. It's a beautiful place, don't get me wrong, but listen, it's reality out here. If you're running away to escape pain that you never dealt with, or chasing a fantasy where women are submissive and loyal, man, don't even bother coming out here. I'm gonna be real with you, man. Because you're not gonna do anything but become the next YouTube headline. You're gonna be the next YouTube thumbnail, and somebody's gonna get on here and talk about you. All right, it's gonna be the same chaos that you left behind. All right. Only this time you get a coconut water to go with it, and somebody's singing karaoke 24/7. All right. But if you're running towards something like peace, simplicity, slower life, a second shot at building something meaningful, then maybe, yeah, this place would be good for you. It's actually worth it at that point. All right. Just don't confuse the beauty with the place with the realities of your situation. The palm trees don't fix trust issues. The sunsets won't refill your bank accounts. The girls who call you baby 2-3 times a day, after meeting you for, one time or whatever, yeah, they're not going to magically just be this woman that fixes everything that about you. You have to learn a lot when you come out here. Being in the Philippines, I don't care how long you've been out here, you learn something every day. This place has so many nuances, so many different things that you just pick up on naturally. So, and when you stop or you refuse to learn about the Philippines, man, and you choose to be out here, man, yeah, you're gonna hurt yourself, man. You're gonna hurt yourself. Raffy Tufo got an episode for you. The Philippines won't save you. It can't. No place can. Thailand can't save you. Dominican Republic can't save you. South America can't save you. Nowhere can save you. The only place that can save you is, well, not the only place. The only thing that can save you is you. All right? If you show up to any location on this earth unhealed, desperate, still thinking with the wrong head or blaming everybody for things that you can control, you're not going to win, no matter where you are. You might as well just stay where you are. All right? Heal first. Choose yourself over anything. I don't care if it's money. I don't care if it's materialistic. I don't care if it's an emotion of a girlfriend or somebody that claims they love you so much. Choose you. Because when you find you, you can find everything else about you. You can find everything else that compliments you. You can find everything else that you need to know about this life that you're living. God gave you this life that belongs to you. And nobody else has any kind of authority to tell you how to live it. You live life on your own terms, but make sure that when you live your life on your own terms, you accept the consequences behind your choices. Finances don't matter more than who you are. You bring the finances don't bring you. Right? Relocating to the Philippines, yeah, it can be a nice reset. It reset me for a lot. It helped me out a whole lot. All right, but it's not a cheat code. You can't avoid your problems just because you landed here. If you're thinking women are going to treat you better just because you speak English and have a pension, yeah, you're going to have a bad time, amigo. All right? You might meet some amazing women out here, but you might meet some that'll burn you so bad that you're going to start Googling soul insurance and make sure trying to find out if that's a thing or not. All right? But if you come here with a grounded mindset and some emotional armor and a little bit of sense of humor, because you got to have some humor out here, that you just might find what you're looking for out here. And it's not because you ran, it's because you already arrived. All right? And if that's the case, then yeah, it is worth being out here. All right? That's all that I have for you guys, man. Please love yourself at all costs, at all times. Don't let nobody tell you what you're worth. All right? You bring the value. All right? Take care of yourselves. Take care of your loved ones. All right? Until next time. Holla at your boy. Peace out.